Hello, students. Welcome to Metacognitive Learning. Let's learn together. In this video, we are going to talk about the reactions of metal with oxygen. So, in one of the video, I would have explained about the reactivity series of metals, right? Right, even though there are a lot of metals, all metals do not react at the same rate. So, generally, sodium, potassium are very highly reactive metals, and magnesium, zinc, iron, they are like medium reactive metal, and silver and gold are the least reactive metals. Okay, so all these metals are not going to react with oxygen at the same rate, so they are going to react differently. So in this video, we are going to talk about how they will react, how the reactivity will vary from metal to metal with respect to oxygen. So generally, any metal reacts with oxygen, it will form metal oxide or metal hydroxide. So it will basically form a top layer where it will form the metal oxide. So say for example iron, it will form a very thin layer which we call it as iron oxide, and that is what we call it as rusting process. uh, but sodium and potassium are being highly reactive metal, they react very vigorously with respect to oxygen, so in such a way that it will be able to catch fire. So because of this reason, like sodium and potassium generally dipped in the kerosene, and it will not be exposed to atmospheric oxygen. Whereas if you take metals like magnesium, aluminium, and zinc, they form a thin layer of oxide at an ordinary temperature. So meaning the top layer of this metal, right, they alone will get oxidized. But if you take iron, iron does not react, but whereas iron fillings will react very vigorously. Again, lead, it will form a thin layer of oxide at ordinary temperature. Copper, they does not burn, but coat with oxide layer, which is basically the copper oxide, which will be black in color. And silver and gold, they do not react with oxygen even at high temperature also, because they are of very least reactivity. Okay, so this is how different kind of metals, how they will react with oxygen. So in another video we will talk about how these metals will react with water, acid, and other uh, elements as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share this video. Thank you.